out here. Every day it rains. Like, I don't get it. But today is a bit dry, so I'm gonna get out before it starts raining because you cannot predict this weather. It's always raining every day. So I saw like this oral hygiene hack from TikTok. So I've been doing it for the past 5 days. Whew. My hand hurts. Anyways, so I saw a TikTok hack for like oral hygiene. It's great like if you're not going to the dentist all the time, because I don't remember the last time I went to the dentist, but you need to go to the dentist I think every 6 months or something. But anyways, let's get into it. So oil pulling is basically putting coconut oil in your mouth for like 15 to 20 minutes, swash and pour it out. And it's something you do every day, so it's supposed to like remove all the bacteria that brush can never get out. And you know, it's been doing great work for me. So I checked like you actually see differences in around 2 weeks, but the differences I see is that, you know, my mouth just feels better, like my teeth feels better, and also no morning breath, so happy about that. So oil pulling is an ancient remedy that's known to improve dental health, freshen the breath, and whiten the teeth. The primary benefits of oil pulling is reducing bacteria in your mouth that can lead to tooth decay and gum disease. Overall, the benefits is reducing bacteria, treating bad breath, preventing cavities, reducing inflammation. This is important for me because, you know, my gums are always bleeding. And, you know, if I do this regularly, it'll reduce my inflammation. But one thing you must not do is swallow it. You must not swallow it because so much horrible bacteria is in that coconut oil that you do not want to swallow it. You don't want to get sick or anything. When you're spitting it out, you must spit into the trash, because if you spit in the zinc, it's not gonna it's gonna block your zinc, and we don't want that. Let me just demonstrate it, like, so we don't talk too much. So let's give you guys a demonstration. So we got our coconut oil, which we're gonna use, and just like a tablespoon, you put into your mouth and put it into my mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer. And then while it's in my mouth for 6 to 20 minutes, we are gonna get into our word. So I'm reading Luke 12. That is the first step done. So it's kind of poured into a container. So in order for me to like wash off like all the excess oil, warm water with salt, and use to rinse my mouth several times. And then brush my teeth and carry on with my day. So I'm making some creamy veg and lentil soup. So I have everything prepared. So we have the chopped potatoes, the soup vegetables, green lentils, and then the veg stock. I'm just gonna put everything in, like it's pretty simple, and have it with my bread. Then I add a pinch of salt, herbs, some garlic granules, and a little bit of seasoned stock cubes. So I'm just gonna let that cook for 20 minutes and we're good to go. So the potato is soft, and I've tasted it and it tastes good. So time to add it to the blender. having it with buttermilk soda bread, so it's frozen right now. And I'm gonna heat that up, and we are ready to eat. I am not a candle person, but 2 days ago I decided to just get a candle, vanilla and coconut, and now I'm here starting mine. So we are going candle shopping. I'm gonna smell everything, see the one I like. But I'm thinking like I really want like a coffee scented candle, cause like I like coffee, so why not let my house smell like coffee? I got the granny trolley bag. It's the best thing. Well, I'm definitely like the girl who likes to take her cute huge bag when I go grocery shopping. But you know, I can't do this anymore. Like my hand hurts. So we are going to take the granny trolley, and it's kind of cute. So this is it. I just gotta put it together. Winter collection. Okay, cashmere basil and mango. Such a nice smell. I don't like the smell. Sorry. Oh my, so nice. Eucalyptus and tea. Wow. This has coffee, like I'm obsessed. This smells so good as well. Lavender flower musk. No. So I ordered these canvas posters. So they're just like verses from the Bible, Psalms verses. I just really like the cute kind of scenery pictures. I have 2 frames that would work with it. But I think today I'm just gonna like frame one. So I think I'll frame this one on Temu. These are pretty good quality. So I got the peony blush and includes lime, basil, and mandarin. I'm like, look at it, it's so aesthetic. So funny thing is, it actually broke and I got another one. After I paid for it, broke. Then I asked I'm gonna get another one. I'm sorry. But yeah. And she's giving a rich kind of smell. Hotel kind of vibe. I mean, that's why it's called Hotels Collection. And then next I got the sea salt breeze. You know, trying to create like a natural kind of smell. So like it's not like a very strong smell, which is great. And the coffee cake. I told you guys I wanted a coffee cake scented candle, and we got one. So they had one that was dual, which was coffee and macaroon, but no, it was brown too sweet for me. But this smells like a coffee cake. Like this, I can smell the coffee. The other one was just too sweet. I couldn't really smell the coffee. So that is it for the candles. I'm obsessed with this, guys. So I also noticed that this is a layered fragrance candle. That's why it seems like a gradient kind of vibe.